What's up, YouTube? Look at my glasses, man. Sheesh. Anyway, so I went to the doctor's office and they told me that I needed to wear glasses, so looks like I have to wear these from now on. Man. How babe?
Oh yeah.
Hey. What are you eating? Oh.
Chocolate pretzels.
Chocolate pretzels? Man. Must be nice to just eat, you know, food in front of my face. Even though, you know, I'm trying to, you know, eat healthy over here. Anyways. Man. So, how is it, babe, that you can eat all the junk food and not, like, gain any weight? Huh?
I do gain weight.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Look. Trying to drive and film at the same time.
Okay.
Anyways, she can eat all the junk food in the world and not gain weight, and here I am. As soon as I eat one chocolate bar, oh, there goes my double chin. Sheesh. Anyways, the reason why I got these glasses, the real reason why I got these though, is because on Friday we're doing the, you know, my job where like you gotta participate and dress up. And Friday's theme is nerdy and jock. It's like nerdy / jock day. So you gotta dress up like a nerd, or you can dress up like a jock. But I'm gonna try to do both. You know, I'm gonna do the whole glasses with the bow tie, and then I'm gonna try and wear like a football jersey. Oh yeah. So anyways, you know, sometimes when they do these things, I go all out, you know. I'm like today was, you know, you have to dress up like your villain, and out of my whole class of 30 people, I was the only one that dressed up like a villain. Well, all it was I went and got this, it was $1.99 for this Jason mask, like plasticky piece of crap Jason mask, and that was my villain outfit. Oh man, I was embarrassed because I was the only one that dressed up today, and the day before that it was 80s, and I didn't even dress up like 80s, but like 20 people did, so they all got to take a group picture together. And today, like, I was the only one that had to take a picture by myself. It was pretty lame. She was like, okay, well, what kind of pose do you want to do? I'm like, I don't know. Ah! She took a picture like that. Yeah, it was totally, you know, lame. Flaming homo blamer. Flamer. Nothing against homos, you know, but you know.
Other side, babe. This side's gonna fall soon.
Oh, shoot. So we're hitting up the Walmart because tomorrow's Thursday, and that's wearing pink day. And the reason why we're wearing pink is to support the whole cancer movement, you know, because this month is cancer month. And breast cancer, that is. So, you know, but either way, you know, I'm really supportive of the whole cancer, whether it's breast cancer or any cancer movement, because, you know, it seems like lately a lot of things has been happening, like family, friends, you know, cancer's been really coming hard on them, so, man. Anyways, so trying to find as much pink as I can. I already got these pink wristbands from like the sports store, because you know it's cancer month, and so they're selling like a bunch of pink wristbands, headbands, and they even got these spandex. They look pretty tight, but oh my gosh, these spandex, pink spandex for $60. Like, man, screw that, dude. I'd rather go to like a thrift store and see if I can wear somebody's old spandex that's been up somebody's butt for 10 years. Oh, man.
Oh yeah, that's so fun.
Anyway, so we're about to head into Wally, find some pink, you know, because definitely it's that month to support breast cancer. not support it like, you know, you want it to happen to people, but support the, I don't know what it's called. I'm new to this whole thing, you know? So, alright, y'all. Peace.